A very good morning, children. Welcome to the online session of subject mathematics of 6th class. I hope so. You all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So, in the previous class, we have discussed about the international system places and writing the number names with the help of international system of numerations. So, first of all, already I am giving some of the homeworks to you. So in the homeworks, first of all I will say the common mistakes what you are doing in the homeworks. So regarding the exercise 1.3, so in the exercise 1.3, so first of all, before going to lesson, first of all we shall discuss the homework common mistakes. So in the exercise 1.3, there is a seventh bit. I have given one of the seventh bit, which is smaller number, which is smaller among these two. Use the symbol smaller than symbol. Use the symbol smaller than symbol. So you people might be getting confused. So regarding the symbols of the greater and the smaller number. So first of all we shall see which is greater number. So this is one symbol, this is another symbol. So these are the two symbols. So listen carefully, children. So first of all this symbol. So first of all we shall discuss this symbol. So what is this symbol means? So first of all see here. Here at the left side, how many dots are there? 2 dots are there. So here 2 dots are there. Here on the right side there is only 1 dot. So this 1 dot represents that whatever the number we are writing at the right side, that number should be small number. So because here only 1 dot is there. So and here small number and this side. So here 2 dots are there. 2 is greater than 1. So whatever the number which we are writing this side, that means at the left side, that should be greater number. That should be bigger number. Okay. This is about and whatever the so here greater number is there. That's why this symbol is called a greater than symbol. Okay. Whatever the number we are writing at the left side only, that will be considered. And here 2 dots are there. 2 is greater than 1. So the number is greater number and the symbol should be this one as a greater than symbol. Okay. So okay, this is about a greater than symbol. Okay, coming to this symbol. So what is this symbol? So at the left side only 1 dot is there and the right side 2 dots are there. Right side 2 dots are there. So here 2 dots and left side 1 dot. So left side 1 dot is there. So 1 is smaller number. So whatever the number we are writing at the left side, that should be smaller number. That should be smaller number. Okay, and the number which we are writing at the right side of this symbol, that should be greater number. That should be bigger number. Okay, so that is the thing. So here at the left side, smaller number is there. So that's why this symbol should be smaller than symbol. This symbol is a smaller than symbol. So listen carefully, children. So here at the left side, one smaller number we should write. So for this symbol we should write smaller number. Why? Because here only 1 dot is there. Here only 1 dot is there. So that means here 2 dots are there. Here 2 dots are there. So 2 is greater than 1. So this side whatever we are writing, that should be greater number, and this side we should write the smaller number. Okay. So like that. So here you should write a smaller number. So whatever the number we are writing, so here smaller number is there. So at the left side we are writing small number. So this symbol should be the smaller than symbol. Okay. So I think so you have understood clearly. Okay. So coming to the seventh bit, which is smaller among these two numbers, he has asked. So and in that, what is the problem is it is given for homework. So 1350, comma 050 or 1349 785. which is smaller than? So which is smaller than? We have to identify. So some of you students have written that this is smaller number. So this one you have written first. So first keep this symbol at the middle. Keep this symbol. So in the answer keep this symbol. So whatever the symbol is given, that symbol you have to keep. Okay. So afterwards, so here how many dots are there? So here one dot is there, and at the right side 2 dots are there. At the left side 1 dot is there. At the right side 2 dots are there. So 1 is smaller number than 2. 1 is smaller than 2. So here this side, that means at the left side you have to write the small number among these two numbers. So and obviously at the right side you have to write the bigger number. So which is smaller you have to identify. So by counting the digits you can't say, because both the numbers is having same number of digits. So afterwards take the next second step. What is the second step? By identifying the places of digits. So right from the left side. So what is the first digit? 1. Here 1. So next 3. Same digits are there. So skip to the next digit. So like this. Next third digit is 5. Here third digit is 5. And here third digit is 4. So which is bigger? Which is smaller 5 or 4? So 4 is a smaller. So obviously this number will come this side. 1 3 4 9 7 8 5. And obviously here this is a greater number. So this side what you should write? 1 3 5 0 0 5 0. Okay, this is the answer for this problem. Okay, some of you written that this one here only, and this number here you have written. So he asked which is smaller among these two, and kept the symbol less than. Okay, so you should write 1 3 4 9 7 8 5, because this third digit is smaller than this digit. Okay, so that's why here you should write a smaller number, and here you should write bigger number. Okay, this is the answer for this exercise 1.3 7th bit your problem. Okay, so this is about one homework, and one more homework. In the previous class I have given about the international system. So regarding the international system, some of you wrote the, what is that? Number name. Yes, number name. So how to identify, how to write the number name in the international system. So already we discussed everyone written Indian system very good, perfectly. But coming to the international system, you students have got some confused. Okay, so what is that confusion? So everyone will have the confusion. So first of all, what are the place names? So first of all we should get the place names for this international system. So in the international system, okay, in the international system, so what are the place names? So two problems I have given, 9 4 9 0 0 2 3 1 4. Okay, this is one question. Okay, for this question, how you have to write the international system? Means, see, first of all, here in this question, in this number, he has not given the commas. He has not given commas. Sorry. Okay, he has not given commas. But here, what is asked? He said that in the international system. So in the international system, how you should write the number name? Means, so first of all, you should keep the commas in the international system manner. In the international system. So international system means how you should keep commas? First of all, identify the commas. So starting from the right side, you first comma will be placed after 3 digits. After 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, I am placing a comma. Okay. The next comma will be coming at again after 3 digits. Starting from here, again after 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here. Okay. After 3 digits, I kept. Again next comma will be coming after 3 digits. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here no need to keep the comma because here there is no number. After this 3 digits there is no number. Okay. If there is another digit or 4 or 5 digits, then you should keep comma here. Okay. Here not there, so no need to keep the comma. So first of all, you should identify the commas. So after identifying, you should write the place names for this number. Okay. So what are the place names in the international system? So starting from the right side, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, up to 10,000, same as the Indian system. So after 10,000, what will come? Okay. So after 10,000, 100,000. HTH is 100,000. Okay. Same as the units places. Ones, tens, hundreds. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. After 100,000, million. 10 million. Next, 100 million. Ones, tens, hundreds. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. 1 million, 100 million, 10 million, 100 million. So like this you have to identify the place names. Okay. After identifying place names, so now you should start writing the number name for this international system of numeration number. Okay. Starting with the left side. Okay. Only number name you should start with the left side. Okay. What is here? So here what is the number? So 100 million, 10 million, million is it. So this 3 belongs to millions category, and next this 3 belongs to thousands category. This is units category. Okay. So this 3 at a time you should take. So 100 million, 10 million, 1 million. Okay. First of all, forget about million. So this is hundreds, tens, ones. So what is this number? Here the number is 949. 949 means 949 because 9 is situated at the hundreds place, isn't it? So first of all, write down 9. 9 after 9 is in the hundreds place. So 900. After 900, what is it? 4 9 is it. So 4 is in tens place, 9 is in ones place. So 949. 49. So what is 949? So 949 belongs to millions category. After writing this one, write down now million. MILLION. 949 million. After so with this is completed. Next, thousands category. So take 3 at a time. So here 0 is it. Here 0 is it. Here 2 is it. So 2 belongs to which category? Thousands category. So in the thousands, units. So 1,000 category. So write down 2. 2,000. After 2,000, what is the next? Next, this is units category. In the units category, 314, same as Indian system. So 3 is in hundreds place. 300. 1 4 is 14. 314. So this is the answer number name for this international system of numeration number. Okay, like this you have to write. So here 0 0 is there. So 0 0 is there means in the number name you can skip that places. Okay. So here in the 100,000 places 0 is there. In the 10,000 places 0 is there. So directly I have written only 2,000. So 2,314. Suppose here any number is there. Suppose here 6, here 9 is there. Here 6 and here 9 is there. So 6 is in which place? 100,000. So this 3 belongs to thousands category. So 600. So here after million, what will come? 600. Next 9 is in 10,000 category. 9 2. 692. 692. 692 belongs to thousands category. 692 thousands. 314, like that it will be coming. So here 0 zeros are there. So we have skipped these two places and directly we have written thousands. Okay, like this you have to write. Okay, so if at all, if any doubts, once again you can recall my class, you can understand. Okay. So like this you have to write the International System of Numeration number name. Okay, now I hope so you have understood very well. Okay, so like this we have completed the some of the problems. So now we shall go with the today's class. Okay. So in the today's class we shall start with the exercise 1.4. Okay, exercise 1.4. So in the exercise 1.4 we shall go with the first bit. What is the first bit? Write the numbers using commas according to International System of Numeration. Write the numbers using commas. Write numbers using commas as International System of Numeration, as International System. Okay, as per the International System of Numeration we have to write the numbers using commas. So in the first bit, what is the number I am taking? 949002683426834. I hope so you will be doing this one very easily. So international system is, first of all, so only commas we have to place. So what he asked, to write numbers using commas as international system he asked. So only commas you have to identify. Still okay, that much only. Only you have to keep the commas. So how you should keep the commas? So international system means starting from the commas, means starting from the right side you have to place the commas. So in the international system, commas will be coming after every 3 digits from the right side. Okay. So first of all, write down again the number here. 949002683426834. Okay. So here, so place the commas starting from the right side. After every 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So after 3 digits, 1 comma. Next 1, 2, 3. Again after 3 digits. Next 1, 2, 3. Again after 3 digits. So like this you have to keep. So in this number, so 1, 2, 3. 3 commas will be coming in this number. Okay. So here after 3 digits, only 1 digit is there. So how many digits are there also, you should keep comma. So if there is 1 digit, you should keep comma. If there are no digits, means you are not supposed to keep comma. Okay. So here number 9 is there. So after 3 digits you keep comma. Okay. So like this you have to place the commas in the International System of Numeration. Okay. Now we shall go with the another bit. Okay. Like this you have to do this bit. Okay. Very easy only. So I am stopping this bit. So next, second bit. Write the numbers in words in both Indian and international system. So you have to write the numbers in words. write numbers in write number names in Indian and international system. In Indian and international system, you should write the number names. So, first one. So, what is the first one? So, 1 2 3 1 1 5 0 2 7. Okay, this is a problem. So, this problem you should write the number name both in Indian system and international system. Okay, so for that the solution. So what is the solution? So in the solution, first of all, write the number, same number 1 2 3 1 1 5 0 2 7. So I find. So first of all, place the commas according to Indian system. So first we shall see the Indian system of numeration. Okay, number name. So place the commas according to Indian system. So Indian system means starting from the right side, first comma will be placed after 3 digits. Again afterwards, for every 2 digits the comma will be placed. So first comma starting from the right side after 3 digits, 1 2 3. So first comma. Second comma is from second comma onwards, you should place again after every 2 digits. So 1 2 comma 1 2 comma 1 2. So only 2 are there. Here no more numbers. So you are not supposed to keep. Suppose here any number is a 3. So 2 1 after comma you should keep. Okay. So like that you should place the commas. Now I have placed the comma according to Indian system of numeration, not international. Indian system, because he asked both in Indian and international system. So after keeping commas, you place the number names. You keep the place names. Okay, starting from the right side. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So 10 crores places are there here. So for this number you should write the number name. Okay. So if you know the place names means you no need to keep here. Okay. If you don't know means for your confirmation you keep the place names. Okay. I hope so you are understanding this one. So now write the number name for this number. Okay. In the Indian system. So first of all, what is this category? Crores category. Next, lakhs category. Next, thousands category. Next, units category. So first start with the crores category. So in the crores, which number is it? 12 is it? So directly write down 12. TWELVE. 12. 12 is in crores category. So 12 crores. 12 crores completed. So 12 crores is completed. Next, lakhs. In the lakhs, which number is it? 31. 31 means 31. Okay. 31. 31 is in lakhs category. So 31 lakhs. 31 lakhs. Next, lakhs completed. Next, thousands. So thousands here is a 15. So 15. FIFTEEN. 15 thousands. 15,000. 15,000. Okay, 15,000. Next, after 15,000, what is there? Units category. So in the hundreds place 0 is there. Okay, no need to write that one. Next, 27. 27 is 27. 20 TWENTY. 27. SCVEN. 27. Okay, this is a number name for this number in the Indian system of numeration. So 12 crores, 31 lakhs, 15,000, 27. 12 crores, 31 lakhs, 15,000, 27. So if any hundreds digit is there, suppose 9 is there. So 927. Instead of 27, what will come? after 15,927 will come. So here number is 0. So we are skipping 0 from the hundreds place, and directly after thousands what we are writing? Tens and ones place. So 27. Okay, like this you have to write the Indian system of numeration number name. Okay, after this, so for this number only you have to write the international system of numeration number name. Okay, so what is international system means? See, so after completing this, after writing this Indian system number name, at the down you write down the international system number name. So due to insufficient of both, I am not writing here. Okay, so for your clarity I am writing at the top, okay, in the middle. So here for the international system again write this number, okay, 123115027. Okay, after writing you keep hyphen. So this one, first of all keep the commas according to international system. Now Indian system is completed. Now international system. So commas will be placed for every 3 digits, after every 3 digits from the right side. So 720, comma. Next 511. So 123, comma. 123. So comma. So here no need to keep comma, because after 3 digits no number is there. So if any number is there, suppose 4 is there. So if 4 is there, you keep comma here. So now here 4 is not there. Okay, any number is not there. So you don't keep the comma. So after 3 digits no need to keep comma. So like this. So here 2 commas are there. So that means total 9 digits are there. Okay. So here for this number now you should keep the places. Okay, place names. So first one is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So up to 10,000, okay, in Indian system. But now we are talking about international system. So in the international system, you should place the commas at here. So that means, so what is the place name here in the international system? Is 100,000. 100,000. Okay. So after 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. So like this you should place the you should keep the place names. So after keeping places, what you should write? So now you should write the number name for this number. Okay. So first starting with the first number. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 is a millions category. So this 3 belongs to millions, this 3 thousands, this 3 units. So 1, 2, 3. 1 is in 100 million. So hundreds, tens, ones. So write down 1. 1 is in hundreds place. So 100, 100, 100. Next 2, 3. 2 is in tens, 3 is in ones. So 123, 123, 123. So 123 is in finally millions category. So write down million. 123 million. So 123 million. Afterwards, next thousands category. So 115. So 100, 100, 15 is 15. 115, 115. 115 is in thousands category. So 115, thousand, thousand. Next units. So 0 to 7. 0 is in hundreds place. So skip this 100. So next what is it? 27. So 20, 27. 27. Okay. So like this you have to write the number name in the international system. Okay. So I hope so you have understood very clearly now. Okay. So like this you have to write the number names in the Indian system and international system. So another problem I will give as a homework. Okay. So now we should go with the next bit. We should go with next bit. What is that bit? Next. Next, fourth bit. Okay. Read the number carefully. Read the number carefully and answer. And answer. Okay. So you should read the number carefully and you should answer the question. So what is the number given? 3, 0, 2, comma 1, 7, 9, comma 4, 6, 8. So this is a number given in this question. So in this, what is the first question he is asking? So he is asking, he gave number and he is asking some questions regarding this number. Okay. So first of all, by seeing this number, in which system is there in this number? So whether Indian system or international system. So by seeing the number, what we can say? This number is in the international system. How? Because commas are placed after every 3 digits. So 3 digits, again comma. 3 digits, again comma. 3 digits, afterwards no comma. So only 3 digits. So here no commas will be placed. Okay. So like this it is. So regarding the by seeing the commas, with the help of commas, we can say that this number is in the international system. So now we should write the place names. So in the international system, we should write the place names. So first one, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 10,000 after 100,000, 100,000. Next, million, 10 million after 100 million. Okay, like this you have to write. So after writing, so now given some questions you have to write. So the digit at millions place digit, millions place. So in the millions place, which digit is it? In the millions place, which digit is it? So first of all, identify where is millions place. So that means 1 million. So where is 1 million? So after 100,000, it is 1 million. So in the millions place, which digit is it? So 2 is it. So write down 2. Next, second one. What he asked? The digit at hundreds place. The digit at hundreds place. Hundreds place. So in the hundreds place, so which digit is there? 100 means not 100 million or not 100,000. So he asked only hundreds. So where is 100? That means 100 units place. Ones, tens, hundreds. So in the hundreds place, which digit is there? 4 is there. Okay, like this. Next, third one. The digit in 10 millions place. 10 million place. The digit in 10 million place. So where is 10 millions? After 1 million, 10 million is it. So in the 10 millions, which place, which number is it? Which digit is it? 0. Okay, like this you have to write. Next, fourth one, last one. How many millions are there in number? So in this number, how many millions are there? So this type of questions will be very much tougher. But once if you know means you can able to get. So how many millions are there in this number? So in this number, how many millions are there? He is asking. So first of all, where is the millions category? So this is the millions category. Is it right? So 302. I am writing. How many millions are there? How many millions are there? In this number, how many millions are there? He is asking. So this 302 belongs to the millions category. Is it right? So that means here 302 millions are there. So in the number name what we will write? 302 means 302 we will write. So 302 millions we will write. 302 millions we will write. That means, so how many millions are there? Answer is 302 millions. 302 millions are there in this number. Okay, like this you have to write the write these questions. Okay, so I hope so you have understood very easily. Okay, so if at all, if any doubts, once again you recall back, you rewind my class so that you can understand very easily. Okay, so now I shall give some homework problems. You try to do them as a homework. First bit, write numbers using commas in international system. In international system you should write. Okay, first one, 4 7 6 3 5 6. Second one, 2 0 0 4 8 4 2 1. This is the first bit. Next, second bit, write number name in Indian and international system. Okay, in Indian and international system you should write the number name. So only one problem I am giving. So 8 9 6 4 3 0 9 2. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, this is the second bit. Next step, third bit, read the number carefully and answer. So number I am writing. So 9 0 7 0 1 2 6 8 5. Okay, this is a number. Nine 0 7 0 1 2 6 8 5. Okay, commas also is there in this number. So by commas you identify which system is there, that one. So after identifying the commas, we internal whatever the system, so you keep the place names. Okay, so first one 10 millions digit. So 10 million digit. And next second one thousands digit. So identify these two. So these are the homework problems. So first bit, write numbers using commas in the international system. So two numbers are given without commas. So in the international system you place the commas. So this is the first bit. Next second bit, only commas keep placing. Next second bit, write number name in Indian and international system. So first place the commas. Afterwards, after placing commas in Indian system, you write the place names and in the Indian system, and write the number name in the Indian system. So one is completed. Next, in the international system, after below that one only, you write again this number, place the commas according to international system, and write the place names in the international system, and write the number name in the international system. Like this you have to do for this problem. So this is second bit. Next, third bit, read the number carefully and answer. So below one number is given. So whatever the number given, so with the help of commas, you identify which is system of numeration, whether Indian or international system. So after that you place the you keep the place names. So after keeping the place names, you see you solve these two questions. So 10 millions digit. So what is there in the 10 millions digit and what is there in the thousands digit? So you have to write down these two. Okay. So I hope so you will be doing this homework very easily. So if at all if any doubts, you once again recall back my class so that you will be getting understand. Okay. These are the homework problems. So thank you for attending my class, children. Have a good day, children. Thank you.